Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, we are going to see formatting tags in HTML. Before getting started, if you are new to this channel, do subscribe, hit on the bell icon so whenever I upload a new video, you will get a notification on it. Do follow me on my Instagram page as well. Let's get started. Let me open my code. In previous video, we have seen about few tags and we discovered about the tables and pre-tag, break tag, all these things. This was our output. Let's comment all these tags. Here I am gonna start off this video with bold tag. So why bold tag is being used and all those things. So inside h1 I'm going to tell bold tag. I'm gonna reload this page. So the bold tag, what it will do, it will make the text bold. That's it. So I'm gonna tell inside p tag I'm gonna write welcome to Sneha codes. You reload, you're getting welcome to Sneha codes. Now I want to make this Sneha codes as bold. So what I'll do is I'll simply use the B tag. This B tag represents bold tag, which will make the text bold. Reload, you can see welcome to Sneha code. You can see the difference between welcome to and Sneha codes. This is the use of bold tag. Let's talk about the next tag, that is strong. The tag is strong. So again in h1 tag, give the name as strong tag, and in p tag I'm gonna tell the same, welcome to Sneha codes. Basically, strong tag is used to specify that the text has higher importance. It is of a bold tag, but then the major difference is bold tag is used to make the text bold, wherein strong tag signifies that the text contains higher importance. Give strong here and cut this and paste it here. Now go and reload. You can see welcome to Sneha code. So as I told that bold and strong will be same, but then strong will signify that the text has higher importance. That is all about strong tag. Now let's see about italic. In h1 tag, give italic tag. Again a paragraph tag. I'm gonna tell welcome to Sneha codes. I want this text to be italic, which means it will be a kind of slanting. Let's give I there and cut this and paste. Go and reload. Now you can see italic tag welcome to Sneha codes. You can see that text has been changed. So that is all about italic tag. Next we'll move into emphasize tag. Let's give it an h1 tag, emphasize tag. Inside p1 give welcome to Sneha codes. For emphasize tag, we'll be using em. What does this emphasize tag do is it will emphasize the text. So em, inside em, cut this Sneha codes and paste it. Go and reload. Let's move into another tag, which is underline. Underline tag. Sneha codes. So basically what does this underline do? It will underline text. So I want Sneha codes to be underlined. So I'm gonna underline tag is defined using u. So u resembles underline. So let's go cut this and paste it here. Go and reload. You can see welcome to Sneha codes. Yes, Sneha codes is underlined. So next we'll be talking about mark tag. So go here in h1 tell mark tag. In paragraph I'm going to tell welcome to Sneha codes. I'm taking the same example so that you can see the difference of each tag that I'm explaining. So here mark tag is used to highlight the text. So I wanted Sneha codes to be highlighted. So I'm gonna use mark tag. So this tag you have to give mark this Sneha code and paste inside mark tag. Go and reload. So basically this is used to highlight the text as I told. You can see Sneha codes has been highlighted in yellow color. So the color I didn't mention that this tag automatically does that. And let's move into another tag which is strike. So let's give h1 Let's say this as strike. Welcome to Sneha Codes. I want to strike Sneha Codes. So I'm gonna use the strike option here. What does this will do is it will strike the text. So when I go and reload, you can see what this is doing. So delete is also of the same thing. Let's try an example of delete also. Let's go to amazon.com. Here, if you notice, let me see. Here you can see this Panasonic Lumix. It's of 42,000. This is the price they are selling for. So the selling price is been highlighted, but wherein the original price is been striked out. This strike is telling here that this is not the price now, this is the price. Major examples of strike tag. I have showed you a real world example. Let's see of delete tag. Delete tag is also of same. Delete tag in paragraph will tell welcome to Sneha Codes. Delete. When I use delete, it will just strike out. It is also of the same thing. You can see. So let's see the next tag that we are going to see would be insert tag. Insert tag. Welcome to Sneha Codes. So insert resembles ins. Let's go and check the output. What is this doing? If you reload, you can see this is underlined. So which is telling that this new word has been inserted. So that is the use of this insert tag, and it is of same of underline tag. There's no much difference with that. And we'll see about, so what will this big tag do is the actual size of the text, it will increase a bit. So welcome to Sneha Codes. If I go and reload, you can see this is my actual text size. Now if I give big here and cut this Sneha Codes and paste it here, go and reload. Now you can see the font size is increased than usual. Similarly, we have small tag. The same thing, the font size will decrease for this. And p tag. So just cut this and paste it here. Now if you reload, you can see it is smaller when compared to the usual size. Okay. Now let's see about subscript and superscript tags. In h1 tag, I'm just giving superscript tag. So now what does this superscript mean? Welcome to Sneha Codes. The superscript tag is used to create superscript text. So when we are rendering the output, this is the output that we got now because we have not yet used the super tag. What does this superscript tag do is while rendering the output, it will render text one line above the normal line. Most of the superscript examples, I'll show that example as well. It will normally be in smaller size when compared to the usual size. So let's use SUP is the tag name for superscript. Let's go and reload and check. Now you can see welcome to Sneha Code. It's one line above. The size is smaller. The actual example you can say is, I'll give another example. So inside P1 I have A. And I want the super tab, and I'm going to tell this as square. A square plus B, and again I want the super. I'm going to tell B square is equal to C. Here I'm going to tell again super, and I'm going square. Now if you go and reload, you can see A square plus B square is equal to C square. So this is the example of superscript tag. So it will render the output one line above, and it is of smaller size when compared to the normal text. Okay, now we have the subscript. It is just the opposite. This is above and that is below. So let's see that tag as well. In h1 tag, tell subscript tag welcome to Sneha Codes, and I'm gonna use here sub is a tag for subscript. Cut this and paste it here. Now if I go and reload, you can see what is the difference here and here. This is one line above, this is one line below. Below the usual line, I mean above the usual line, below the usual line. And let's see one example similar to this here. Tell x sub 1 plus x sub 2 is equal to, say, y z sub, and let's go reload this. You can see x1 y2 is equal to z. And so this is the example of superscript tag and subscript tag. Let's have a recap of what has been done. In this video, we have seen about superscript tag, subscript tag, bold tag, strong tag, italic tag, emphasize tag, underline tag, mark tag, strike tag, delete tag, insert tag, big tag, small tag. So all these tags we have covered along with an example. In most of the case I have used the same example, just that you will know the small difference that this tags as. These are the tags that we have covered in this video. That's it in this video. In next video we'll discuss about HTML forms. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any doubt or suggestion, let me know in the comment section. Like, share and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching.